The stability of Zimbabwe's security apparatus is currently facing an unprecedented challenge following the emergence of a highly sensitive audio leak. The recording, which has been circulating within intelligence circles, reportedly reveals a sophisticated plot targeting senior members of the military command. The development has transformed the political discourse in Harare from one of mere succession debates to a matter of immediate physical survival for the nation's top brass. Sadabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino anyongwa muZimbabwe News Online achinyora achiti VP Chiwenga leaked audio notebook subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnao mudanyora achiti according to an analyst monitoring the situation, the leaked content suggests that technicalities and legal maneuvers are no longer the primary weapon being used in the internal power struggle. Instead, there are explicit warnings that high-ranking officials must act fast to avoid being neutralized in a series of coordinated strikes. The shift toward kinetic threats indicates a total breakdown in the traditional codes of conduct that have historically governed the relationship between the ruling party and the defense forces. The timing of this leak is particularly critical, coming amidst heightened regional tensions and ongoing debates over leadership extensions. The audio mentions specific geographical locations and tactical vulnerabilities, implying that the perpetrators have deep-seated knowledge of the military's internal movements, with breach of operational security. Yes, forced a total re-evaluation of protection protocols for key personnel, as the threat appears to be coming from within the state's own borders. In response to these revelations, there has been a visible increase in military presence around the strategic government installations. Sources suggest that a silent mobilization is underway as the military seeks to identify the source of the leak and neutralize the perceived threat before it can be executed. The psychological pressure on the command structure is immense, with the specter of poisonings and ambushes now a daily reality for those at the top of the hierarchy. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino anyongwa pamusoro pe audio iri kunzi VP Chiwenga leaked audio. Pinda comment section medu zavhunguro aimoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.